Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for September 1st, 2020. So right now, if you look at the SPY, which is the SP 500 ETF chart, the market is still very strong and continue to push it up into the upside with a strong momentum every day. Let's see the market can be able to carry this momentum until the holiday. So right now, look at the chart. The market is still continue to high low. So it means that the trend is still up, even a smaller time frame. The market shows no sign of problem at all, and then they continue to push it up to the upside. So a lot of stock right now that move the market, from the Dow, like Walmart, Disney, as you can see here, they all move up to the upside. And then in the technology, you see that Apple, okay, they all make all-time high. After the split, they continue to put it higher. Adobe, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Nvidia, Walmart, they all put up to the upside, as you can see here. So as long as the market is still uptrend, we will stay in the uptrend until they change the direction. Every day I show you my consistent profit with my day trading strategy that only takes you 1 or 2 hours a day in the morning, which I call the ATM machine method, so that you can make some extra daily income by trading future. The second method is trading to build a long-term wealth by swing trading system. This method only takes you 30 minutes a day. I call it set it and forget it system with entry, stop loss, and target predefined on the chart. Here, this is my swing trading result and set it and forget it system for the month of August. And then, even I'm very busy with my schedule to help my member, but I'll be able to get some swing trade and then just buy it and set a target and get out automatically. So this is the total gain for the month of August, as you can see here. So right now, the trend is still uptrend. We will stick with the uptrend until they change direction. So if you are not member of our Stock Navigator, please sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will send it to you so that you can take a look and you can see where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn how to trade, how to make some extra daily income, as well as to build your long-term portfolio, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.